some bruised heels as well, so hopefully that'll take care of itself in the next couple of weeks. But here's a bit of a surprise today. Yeah, Oulila, Antti from Finland, a tweet from fellow competitor AJ Kampainen, just about to drop in is Oulili, and hashtags galore. It says, "Kill it, boss," with a couple of money signs. So I always love the story of a rookie, you know.